Jumbo everybody, I'm on the floor. So I am actually doing a 10-minute tidy up today of my bedside table. So this is where I film most of my videos, and my side table ends up being kind of a catch-all for all of the different props and things that I use in my videos and whatever. And of course it functions as a bedside table. So I'm taking 10 minutes today to do a 10-minute tidy up on my bedside table. Let's go ahead and do it. And we're off. Okay, so I've got my timer set for 10 minutes and I'm literally just gonna pull out everything. And what I've realized is there's stuff in here that I had in the side table when we moved in the house 5 years ago. It's a little ridiculous. Like, is that really necessary to have stuff in here from 5 years ago? And it's stuff that's like, why do I even have like a massive notepad here and like all these other things that it just doesn't make sense. So I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna pull every single thing out of the drawer. There's a little drawer there and stuff off the top and everything, and just lay it out so I can see everything. So now I'm just gonna take a little wipe here and clean it off. This is one of the baby wipes that I keep in the bathroom to wipe my face off in the morning. And I just decided to go ahead and use that. Dust my side table, why not? So now that I have everything out, I'm gonna look and see what I have. And I have like stuff that I know is trash, and then stuff that I'm thinking, well, maybe I should keep one of these things by my side table. So the best way for me to go about this is I just put things into categories first. So like items together. So I have a whole bunch of hair ties that I'm putting together, a whole bunch of bobby pins. Why? I literally like probably 100 bobby pins in there. Like, why in the world do I have bobby pins? I have one of those book lights in there too, a ton of pens and a notepad and things like that, old pieces of paper that have just kind of accumulated here, and other things. In that pink little pouch, I have things that I use for filming. So I have an extra camera in there. I have batteries and memory cards and that kind of stuff. Since I do my filming sitting right here, I decide I'm just going to go ahead and keep that all together there as well, and just bring, all these other things out of the bedroom, because like, why do I have a bajillion pens and who knows whatever else, old things that I do not use anymore. Other things in here, let's see, I've got those are little toe separators there, that blue thing that I just picked up. I've got some eye masks, stones, oils, books, iPad, just random things. It's like, why do I have all this stuff here? So now that my items are kind of corralled by like items, I can see what it is that is going to make the cut. So I just start putting things in this little basket that I knew that I wanted to keep there. And then I'm just going to show you guys what I have left over, things that are making the cut and things that are not. So this is all the stuff that's either going in the trash, yuck, or going other places in the house with other like items. So that's just coming out of here, stuff that I do not need to have on my bedside table. All right, and here is the after. Well, that looks a whole lot better, doesn't it? So normally after this month, these aren't going to go here. These are going to go back over on my essential oil shelf, but I'm doing a feelings kit challenge with my group, so I'm going to keep those there because I do it in the morning and in the evening. I've got my sleepy oils here, stones back there. Then in the drawer here, these are things I use before bed. So I always put on the Seedlings hand cream. I always put on some like chapstick stuff here. I put the renewal serum under my eyes, and then this is a pot of castor oil that I put on my eyelashes to help with eyelash growth. I like to have a pen and a little pad of paper in case something like I think of before bed, like a to-do list type of item, so I can write that down. Hair tie in case I want to get the hair off my face. Then I have 2 eye masks. This one's just a regular standard eye mask, and then this is the Cozy phones, or they're actually headphones, so if I wanted to do that, I have that. And then I have regular headphones here, and then this is like a little book light / flashlight. Then underneath in this, I actually have in this pink pouch here all of the stuff that I use for filming. So since this is literally where I sit to film, so I have that in here, extra memory cards and that kind of thing for anything that I would need with my camera. Also store my camera inside of this as well. And then I have my phone charger, so I can plug in my phone, stick it in the little drawer here when I am sleeping. So that is a 10-minute tidy up for the bedside table. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you haven't already and you'd like to, hit that button down below, subscribe so you never miss a daily video. Happy tidy up, and I'll see you all tomorrow.